I came to Tahlequah in 1969. And that was the second year that the Trail of Tears drama was in operation out at Cherokee at Park Hill. I was hired to do the costumes, and I had to do a lot of thinking about what the people that were in the play, the actors, the dancers, were going to wear. And I knew I didn't want to do Hollywood, Walt Disney, but I still wanted to be authentic to the point that they looked maybe correct, but they also had movement, because that's the theatrical license that you get to do when you work in legitimate theater. So I just put my head together and drafted a pattern and figured out a system of putting it together and how to make it fast and how to train people, how to put a terror dress together. And we made terror dresses that first year. We made a lot of them. I wrote the official definition of a terror dress, and that's been followed pretty much consistently and thoroughly through the years. I'm proud of that. Really, truly proud of that.